Honestly, there is nothing I can say that they weren't. They were very, very good. They were extremely friendly. They always told me exactly what was going on. I've had no problem with them. They've been brilliant. Lovely fellas. I had a card through the door. I'm sure it was through the door, yeah. And it looked so good. So I said to Mike about it. He said, I'll do it, Mother. You leave it to me. So he did it all online. And he kept, saying to me, I said, I won't get it. He said, well, you never know. He said, you're no worse off if you don't get it, When he actually said, no, you've got it, Mother. Oh, it's over the moon.
I made a lottery.
Yeah, it was to me, yeah. And of course, my thing was broke. My skylight was broke anyway. Yeah. So I was quite happy to pay out, well, Mike helped me out with it, pay out for that, Because I only had a bit of glass there. Yeah. I've had it dripping with rain. Yeah. When it rained, it used to drip. And of course, it's all got dark, bit dampy, yeah. Not mold, but it is dampy. You can see it's damp. I had a tree growing, so my son-in-law went up and pulled it out and all that. And the rubbish he chucked down from the roof. I said, well, how does it get up there? It was unbelievable. And I think basically it would have, been a problem in a minute. I really do. And then I had the big paper through with all the dimensions and the prices and all that, and then it showed you the photos of the roofs that you'd done. So I was thrilled, I thought, oh, I'd like that, because you were something a bit better than you were doing it, what do you call it, eco? Yeah. And you were doing it with this special stuff. They showed me the rubber thing, and I thought, wow, that's totally different, Yeah, so I was quite pleased with that. They've been absolutely brilliant. Honestly, they were so nice. And I bought extra milk, because I thought, well, they won't be wanting cups of tea. They had 1 cup of tea each the whole time they was here. They drinking water most of the time, but they never bothered me. Even just to come in the toilet, which is just in the door, they even took their shoes off then, so that they, make sure they didn't dirty anything. No, they were brilliant, really nice and friendly.